cash to purchase properties continues to steadily increase. In the Maryland market, all cash deals accounted for 28%. It's Friday, June 10th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Cash buyers are not unusual, but during the pandemic, cash sales increased. There were a few reasons for this. Many buyers took cash out of the stock market to invest in real estate. Many buyers used cash from record-breaking equity in their homes when sold to purchase all-cash deals, and investors have also been jumping in with cash purchases. Meanwhile, the trend for inventory coming to the market continues, with the share of new contracts shrinking. All markets combined, here's what the inventory snapshot looks like. 1,453 properties are coming soon, steady from last week. 1,293 are temporarily off the market, and that's fewer this week. 1,811 homes were listed for sale, a quick increase from last week. 873 went under contract, a slight rise. 1,455 went pending, a rise from last week. 1,632 properties settled in 17 days at 93% list to sold ratio. This reflects a rise in days on the market and a reduction in the list to sold ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Baltimore's Harbor for $3,250,000. On the rental front, inventory rose again this week to 1,273 properties at $2,200 per month. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, June 10th, 2022. Thank you for tuning in. Until next week.